There's a 42-inch Hunter Summer Breeze variant sold exclusively at Builder Square in the mid to late 90s, more or less mid 90s given the style. And it wasn't labeled Summer Breeze, but technically it is a 42-inch Summer Breeze that was modified as a showcase edition that Builder Square was promoting in the mid 90s. And it's white. Blades do not reverse to bleach oak, unlike most Hunters of this vintage. But it's got the 90s Hunter Installer's Choice canopy, and there's the plain sideband. There's the bends and the blade arms. And it's got the pointed blades. Switch, and there's a light kit that came standard with it, and also the globes were standard with the fan. Everything is. The only amendment I made to it was the lucite pull for the lights, which I will activate right now. Shed a little light on the situation. Yep. I got this on OfferUp recently, OfferUp now, whatever you call it. Got a really good deal on it, and did have a slight wobble to it. I mean, it still does, but let's just say it was worse. I think one of the blades was wonky, and but I'm in the process of balancing the blades, so hopefully I got to like the best possible setting. The wobble has been greatly reduced, but light off, and now let's rev it up. First on low. Yep. Medium. These 42-inch Summer Breeze fans are rather hard to find, and they're childhood fans of mine too. So yeah, it's on medium. And I think we are ready for high, even though I do feel somewhat of a breeze now, but we will feel even more of one when I change the speed. Yep, she's sure cranking out some air with a slight shake, may I add, but nothing too horrendous. Let's see it from this angle. I think we will power it down. Oh, there's original right there. It's got a long spin down time. I don't know if one of the blades was off on it or not. But the neat thing is that it will accept generic blade arms, like the Westinghouse kind you can buy at Home Depot, the 42-inch fans. Oh, and I just acquired an antique brass version of this fan, mostly new in the box. I mean, it had been partially open, but the person who was selling it said it hung too low for where he was going to hang it, so. Plus, I got a really good deal on it. Even better than this one. Okay, sorry if it has that clip on there, but anyway, hopefully I solved the wobble issue. But that's it, folks. The 42-inch Hunter Summer Breeze from January of 1997. I take that back, February 1997. Thank you for watching. More to come.